The Redmi Note 7 and the Redmi Note 7 Pro has the same design and body with the exact same dimensions and weight. The difference lies in the more powerful Snapdragon 675 processor as opposed to 660 and better cameras on the Pro version. The glass sandwich Redmi Note 7 does feel a bit heavy at 175 grams compared to other plastic builds in this price segment. It has a premium but solid in-hand feel and seems to be strong in my usual trial bend. We have seen Zach break the 48 megapixel global version, so we'll soon find out if the Indian retail unit also fails or manages to survive in my bend test. The Redmi Note 7 has good software experience, a more than decent camera, and can play heavy games like PUBG without any issues. So moving on to its hardware, let's start with the sound test. The audio from the external speakers is pretty loud and clear with no distortion at full volume. Next, let's perform the drop test on the Redmi Note 7 with 5D glass, a soft case and a hard case. Starting the drop test with the first drop from waist or pocket height. The second and third drop with the top and bottom side of the phone. No damage to the body or 5D glass after 3 drops. The fourth sideways drop with the power button facing the hard concrete. The fifth drop with the back camera side down. The soft case does a good job of protecting the camera glass with no damage. The sixth drop with the display facing down. At last, the 5D glass has got some damage and clean cracks across the screen. The 7th drop, this time from 6 feet head height. The 5D glass has got some additional damage at the top left corner, but no damage yet to the Redmi Note 7 itself. The 8th sideways drop from 6 feet height. The 9th head height drop with the back camera facing the concrete. The soft case once again does a great job of protecting the camera unit. The 10th drop from 6 feet with the screen facing down. The damage seems to be almost same as before. Now let's change to the hard designer case and perform 3 more drops. The 11th, 12th and 13th drop from 6 feet with the hard case. I have to say that the soft case actually feels more safe and secure than the hard case, and the soft case does a better job of absorbing the shocks. There were multiple fractures and damage all over the 5D glass, but no damage whatsoever to the a lot of repair cost. Continuing with the scratch test, let's find out the scratch resistance of this cornering glass protection on both sides by rubbing it with common atoms found in pockets and then with a heavy duty box cutter. High quality tempered glass protection like the ones found on this Redmi Note 7 may get minor marks from the key or coins, but are always able to survive the blade abuse with no damage or scratches whatsoever. But lower quality glasses found on devices like the Oppo A3s, Oppo A7, Vivo V9 Pro, Vivo Y81 and every Realme device tested on the channel end up with ugly scuff marks and are not able to survive the blade abuse. So how will the glass protection on the Redmi Note 7 fare against the blade? As expected, the cornering glass protection on the Redmi Note 7 effectively does its job with no damage from the blade abuse and passes my scratch test. Will the Indian retail unit of the Redmi Note 7 survive my bend test, unlike the 48 megapixel global version which Zach had destroyed? Let's find out once and for all and put the TG controversy to rest. Unfortunately, the plastic midframe on the Redmi Note 7 snaps on either side of the power button and near the SIM tray and fails my bend test. But the Indian retail unit does seem to be stronger and glued properly, since at least the screen did not pop out so easily like the Samsung Galaxy M20.